Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to complete the navigation drawer activity, not home activity. We are going to complete the navigation drawer activity. So right now we are in shop hub. Make sure you have implementing this to navigation drawer layout. If it not, it will give an error. So make sure it is pointing to navigation drawer layout. So right now what we want to do is we are going to implement this navigation view. So what we are going to do is we can just add a navigation view and let it be called as navigation view itself, and view id or dot id dot it's not rid, it's or dot id dot navigation view. We can just navigation view dot set navigation. We can click on this and we can just make home activity implement. We can implement this method and click OK. It will implement it. And right now what we need is we need something called as navigation, yeah, drawer menu. We need menu because we have the IDs right here. And what we can do is we can create a switch menu item dot get item ID. We can define a case dot id dot, yeah, same. What we have first is navigation cart dot id dot cart, and we can have it, if it is cart, it should have like this, and for everything it should return true. We can just implement the intent method later. So for if it is not clicked, we can return false. So we can just copy it for 6 more times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, we can have it for 6 more times. Otherwise you can just undo all, copy it, paste it, paste it, paste it, and paste it. That's it. I hope that's it. And now what we have is, and search categories. Now it should be typed here. Yeah. Now search, and here it is categories, and here it is, we have my order, and we have settings, and then logout. Now settings, and we have logout. And if you want to create a duplicate branch in switch, we can just omit this typo mistake, and what we can do is now we can initiate the factor method, and that these everything will be under something. And now we are going to work for home activity. We can just now call the factor method dot init dot this. We need to initialize in this. And what we are going to do is, let me say you what it is we are going to um, do for logout, which is, and we can just intent, we can call it as I new intent home activity dot this to main activity dot class. And what we can have is I dot add flags, and we can add intent dot flag activity new task, and intent dot flag activity clear task. Yeah, it's giving it as default. And what we need is we need to start the activity. It will just irritate us. So now we can finish it. And before that we need to destroy it. Paper dot book dot destroy. Now it's ready for logout, and now let us work for all these and the home activity. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. From this tutorial we will start working on home activity. These one times we have been working on navigation drawer activity. Thank you guys.